Everyone, today I will be unboxing this Apple Watch band from 2021 with the Apple Watch Series 7. So it came out with Apple Series 7 with the product red one. And in addition, the green one. So it came out with the Apple Watch Series 7 too, but in the green variant, like the green Apple Watch. So let's unbox it. So let's take this out. Okay, fan is out now. Let's take this part out. I can do this with one hand. Okay, let's clean it up with the Apple polishing cloth. Okay, now let's unbox it. Okay, okay, let's do the green one. Okay, so let's unbox this thing. Then your paperwork. It has a smell too. And this is how to put on the Apple Watch for more instructions. Here. And you get the green one. That's a green? Oh my god, I've never seen it in person for a while. I seen it in 2021 when the Apple Watch Series 7 was available. So let's take everything out of here. Okay. And the paper. So let's do this. Okay. Now let's put it on. And hit the snap. Okay, let's put in to show you what it looks like. So it's nice. The green is so nice. So that is the green Apple Watch. So like, oh my god. It's so nice. Oh my god. So I what it looks like. Now let's see the red one. And then the red one. Put this on the side. Okay, let's keep this here. Okay. I doing my feet for this because I don't have other hands to do this. Apple Watch, then your same as documentation. Who cares? It's more, it's kind of darker in person, but okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's cool. Oh my god, I love it. Look at it. The extra large family is small. Oh god, I actually moved the paper. Nope, it's have to sticky. Oh, I think it's my favorite one actually. I think this is my favorite one. Let's put it on. Then here is the main Apple Watch. Looks so nice. It's so pretty. Wow. So yeah, so this is the Apple Watch bands that I unboxed for you. So take care, stay safe, and have a good day. Bye.